Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for CapCut templates. So make sure that CapCut application has been downloaded to your phone. So simply type the name CapCut, and this is how it looks like, CapCut video editor. So once it's available on your phone and downloaded, you just tap open. Now, this is one of the famous and best video editor because it gives you free templates already. So as you can see, these are all templates for you. So whether it can be alone in a video or couple or family picture or whether with your friend. As you can see, we have 4 buttons at the lower part of your phone, and the second one says template. So those are the templates that you are seeing that I am scrolling. So for you to search your own template on your own choice, you can just type whatever template you want, whether slow-mo, static videos, or anything that is popular on TikTok maybe. So for example, I'm going to find the slow-mo video here. Just tap on the search bar and then you will be able to see that template. All you have to do is just to tap use template, and then you can change that video to your own videos available on your gallery. So just tap any random videos and tap preview, and then you'll be able to use the same sound or the same edit with that template to your own video, and then you can tap export. It would only take a minute for it to export and be ready to be saved to your device, or you can save and share it directly to TikTok or to any social media platforms that you have. So that's basically the process of choosing your own template. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks for watching.